Navid.
Rakshita Saravanan is a 9th grade archer studying at GEMS New Millennium School, already making her mark with gold medals in the Emirates Cup and multiple stages of the UAE National Archery League in the compound under 15 women's category.
In her TEDx talk, The Success Formula, Subtract, Rakshita shares how embracing the mindset of subtraction, which is letting go of distraction, self-doubt, and unhelpful habits, has been the key to both her athletic growth and her personal growth.
Please put your hands together for Rakshita Saravanan.
Sometimes the key to achieving our dreams isn't about adding more to our lives, but subtracting. My journey with archery taught me this in a profound way. It's all about how you subtract to achieve. Back in March 2023, during my spring break, I was at a resort in Ras Al Khaimah. They had all sorts of activities to offer, but the one that instantly caught my eye was archery. I was excited to give it a shot, so my dad, mom, and I decided to try it out. Let's just say my aim was about as good as a blindfolded person trying to hit a moving target. My arrows were flying in every direction but the target. It's almost as if they had a mind of their own, probably thinking, let's see how many different places we can land. As we were wrapping up our 2-hour session, the facilitator brought out some balloons. Now, I had one aim: hit that balloon. We had 3 chances, and on my first shot, I missed by an inch. But on the second shot, I hit that balloon, and that joy was unexplainable. Now, 2 weeks later, we were at home, and I decided I wanted to try archery as a professional sport, and not just as a fun activity. After some good research, we found a club that develops archery enthusiasts like me into professionals. I take a class, and I realize that this is something I definitely want to pursue. 2 years on, I am well on my path towards realizing my dream of becoming a professional archer. But this wonderful transformation wouldn't have been possible without the unwavering support and guidance of both my coaches. Their belief in me has been invaluable. But to truly excel in archery, I realized something crucial. It wasn't just about adding more practice, it was about subtracting. It seems contradictory, doesn't it? We think that adding more to our lives will make us happier, more successful. But the truth is, sometimes we need to subtract to gain. We need to let go of the excess to find what truly matters. My archery journey became a study in how I could subtract to achieve. Believe me, it's not just a phrase, it's a way of life. Honestly, before all this even began, I had a completely different perspective on life. My entire calendar was filled with hours of watching YouTube, drawing, and spending time on leveling up in games. Let's be honest, we've all been there. That feeling of scrolling through YouTube, one video seamlessly transitioning into the next, while a to-do list stares at you accusingly from the corner of your desk. I must say, at that point, it was a lot of fun, but it was equally unfocused. But when it came to a point where I really needed to put focus into this sport, there was no more time for these leisurely things. These were the things I needed to subtract. So pleasures like YouTube and games instantly transformed into my workout time. And those hours I spent drawing, they're now my shooting practice sessions. And of course, I've had to subtract sleep too. Before this, I woke up really late into the mornings, but now I need to wake up at 5 a.m. to head to the range. It's almost as if I traded my game over screen to a level up screen, but in real life. And this was not the end. I attended my first competition around May in 2024. After weeks of really hard work and extra practice, I was able to win the gold on my very first try. This was a dream come true for me, and it also gave me a boost of confidence for my second competition. But that was a different story altogether. Challenges came at me from all directions, like a swarm of bees at a picnic. This really shook my confidence, and something new entered my mind: self-doubt. That feeling which makes you doubt whether you can actually accomplish something. And self-doubt not only caused me to lose that one competition, but 2 more after that. Losing one competition after the other, the voices of self-doubt only grew louder. I started questioning my skills, my dedication, my resilience. The weight of expectations, both internal and external, bogged down on me. There was even a time where I could not even pull my own bow just because of self-doubt. I was like a caterpillar going through metamorphosis and struggling to break out of my own cocoon. I needed to break the shackles of self-doubt and subtract it from my mind. Subtract to achieve. That was my new focus. It wasn't easy, but when I did, I was able to transform myself into the perfect version of an archer that I can ever be, with an unbreakable focus. I've been on a winning streak, winning every competition and ready to take on the next with utmost confidence. Looking back, I realized success comes with many sacrifices. But the time those sacrifices became really important was when I hit my first roadblock, my losing streak. Even those initial sacrifices that I made seemed insignificant in comparison to what I faced next. Self-doubt was definitely a mental hurdle, but it affected me physically too. I could not even release my own bow with my own release equipment. All of a sudden, my body would, for some reason, just not cooperate. And the only way I could overcome this then was to change my release at the advice of my coach. This was a huge change, as that release was the one I had put countless hours of practice into. It felt as though I was starting from scratch, as that release had a technique which was completely opposite to the new one. They were like chalk and cheese, but I knew that trying to hold on to something that didn't work right at that time would be pointless. Subtracting the familiar, even though it was difficult, was the only way for me to move forward. And this is the lesson that I want to share with you. Over these past 2 years, I've learned that progress sometimes means taking a step back. More specifically, subtracting. Subtracting doesn't just mean giving up joy, it's about prioritizing. It's like trading a mountain of distractions for a focused path towards your peak. John Maeda, a genius in the world of design, once said, "Simplicity is about subtracting the obvious and adding the meaningful." But this lesson of subtraction, it isn't just for me, it's for everyone. So I challenge you today, look around your life. What can you subtract? Can you subtract that mindless scrolling for a good book? Or can you subtract that extra hour of sleep for a morning workout? Or can you subtract that self-doubt for unwavering self-belief? Remember, subtract to achieve and watch your dreams take flight. And now, I want to share with you a glimpse of this amazing sport without which I wouldn't be standing here in front of you today. Thank you.